we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
Here's how to create a quirky vlog video. Import your holiday footage into InShot. Press the transition button between the clips for a sleeker transition between your videos. Repeat this step for the rest of your clips. Here's how it looks after adding your transitions. Now tap text to add a text. You can type the lyrics of the song or even captions to make your vlogs more engaging. Now trim the duration of each word so it syncs to the music. You can also tap sticker and choose from a wide selection of sticker packs from our sticker store. Add as many stickers as you like to your vlog. Adjust the duration of your stickers. Go ahead and add more stickers for the rest of your clips. And you have a quirky vlog to highlight your best holiday moments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.